Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use top gel. First, prepare your nails by ensuring they are perfectly clean and dry. Any oils or residue can prevent proper adhesion. Next, apply a thin, even layer of your preferred base coat. Cure this layer under a UV or LED lamp for about 30 to 60 seconds, following your product's specific guidelines. Finally, lightly buff the nail surface with a fine grit buffer to create a subtle texture, which helps the top gel adhere beautifully. Now, let's apply the top gel. Take a small amount of top gel on your brush and apply a thin, even layer over your cured color coat. It's crucial to cap the free edge of each nail by running the brush along the tip. This seals the manicure and prevents chipping. Remember, a thin layer is key. Applying it too thickly can cause issues like bubbling or incomplete curing. Use a smooth, sweeping motion to ensure full coverage. Once your top gel is applied, it's time to cure it. Place your nails under a UV or LED lamp for 60 to 120 seconds. Always refer to your specific top gel's instructions for the exact curing time. If your top gel leaves a sticky, tacky layer after curing, gently wipe it away with a lint-free wipe saturated with 99% isopropyl alcohol. Finally, give your nails a quick inspection to ensure a perfectly smooth, glossy finish. To keep your manicure looking fresh, moisturize your cuticles and hands daily. When it's time for removal, gently file off the top layer of the gel with a fine grit file. Then, soak your nails in pure acetone for about 10 to 15 minutes. The gel should become soft and pliable. Carefully push off the softened gel with an orange wood stick, being gentle to avoid damaging your natural nail. Never force or aggressively scrape the gel off.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.